Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is a personal finance book that contrasts the different financial mindsets and philosophies of two influential figures in Kiyosaki's life: his poor dad, his biological father, and his rich dad, the father of his best friend. The book emphasizes the importance of financial education, breaking away from traditional employment mindsets, and focusing on building assets to achieve financial independence. Here's a summary of the key lessons. 1. The two dads' different perspectives on money. Poor Dad. Kiyosaki's biological father represents the conventional view of money: get a good education, secure a stable job, work hard, and climb the corporate ladder. He emphasized job security and saving money. Rich Dad, Kiyosaki's best friend's father, a successful entrepreneur, encouraged him to think differently about money. He taught that the key to wealth is acquiring assets and minimizing liabilities. 2. The importance of financial education. Kiyosaki argues that the traditional education system doesn't teach people how to manage money, which leads to poor financial decisions. He stresses the need to become financially literate to make better financial choices and grow wealth. 3. Assets vs liabilities. One of the book's key teachings is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets, things that put money in your pocket, for example, investments, real estate, businesses. Liabilities, things that take money out of your pocket, for example, loans, expenses. Kiyosaki emphasizes that the wealthy focus on acquiring assets, while the middle and lower classes often accumulate liabilities that they mistakenly think are assets, like buying expensive homes and cars. 4. The power of entrepreneurship and investments. Kiyosaki highlights entrepreneurship, investing in stocks and real estate, and creating passive income streams as paths to wealth. Rather than relying solely on a paycheck, he encourages people to make their money work for them. 5. Work to learn, not for money. He advises that young people should take jobs that help them develop skills, especially in sales, marketing, and investing, rather than just seeking job security. Learning these skills can provide long-term financial independence. 6. Mind your own business. Kiyosaki advocates for building personal assets and business ventures on the side, even if you have a traditional job. He warns against depending solely on a paycheck from an employer and encourages people to always be growing their wealth independently. 7. Overcoming fear and doubt. Fear, cynicism, laziness, and arrogance are seen as major obstacles to financial success. The fear of losing money keeps many people from investing or starting businesses. Kiyosaki stresses that learning from failures and taking calculated risks are essential steps toward financial freedom. 8. The power of taking action. While education and knowledge are important, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of taking action. Many people understand the principles of wealth building, but don't apply them. He encourages readers to get started and learn through experience. Conclusion: Rich Dad, Poor Dad promotes a mindset shift toward financial independence through entrepreneurship, investment, and asset building. The key message is that financial success comes from financial intelligence, understanding how money works, and making informed decisions about earning, saving, and investing. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this summary helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and growing.